Microsoft Teams is the method by which you'll communicate with teachers, allowing you to meet with them, receive instruction, learn about your assignments, and turn the homework into the teacher. On the left side is a vertical bar that lists activity, chat, teams, assignments, and calendar. Click Assignments to look at all of a student's classes. Alternatively, also on the left column, click Teams to get a list of a student's teams, which may include classes and activities. Within each class, there is a listing of assignments for that class among the choices in the general tab bar along the top. When you see your assignments, you will notice two choices: assigned assignments at the top and completed assignments down below. Click on an assigned assignment. Listed there will be the requirements and any reference material that the teacher may choose to provide. Click on that reference material and it will open up in Word or whatever program is associated with it. Two things to look for as you complete your assignment. Down below is the Add Work button, which you will use to attach an essay, completed quiz, PowerPoint, or whatever is needed to complete the assignment. You may also take a photo of the assigned work and attach it here. More on that in a moment. In the upper right, notice the Turn In button. You will use this once the assignment is complete to submit it to the teacher. If the assignment is overdue, this button may read Turn In Late, and the Add Work button is still active. The Turn In button may play an animation to reward you for doing your work. However, if you want to withdraw an assignment because you made a mistake, it's incomplete, or you submitted the wrong one, you'll want to use the Undo Turn In button that shows up in place of the Turn In button. Go back down to the bottom and click Add Work if needed. Clicking the Add Work button allows a few different options, including adding work from OneDrive, which is a collection of files for that student stored on the cloud, and New File, which allows you to create a Word document, PowerPoint, or spreadsheet. You'll need to name the new file, after which you can go back and edit it. Any changes will automatically be saved before handing it in. Another option after clicking Add Work is to paste a link, which is handy if you've done a video on YouTube and you want to submit that for your homework. The final Add Work option is the Teams button, which allows you to add a photograph of an assignment. Back on the assignment screen, you can click on any completed assignments listed there and see if there's any feedback left by the teacher. However, if the teacher said there was more work needed, here's where you could go back in and make changes and resubmit. As always, Pioneer Instructional Technology Services is here to help if you need a hand.